A new industrial revolution is taking place, and it's green, it's zero emissions, it's electric. Last year saw records broken in measurements of greenhouse gas concentrations, sea level rise, ocean heat, and ocean acidification. These markers of climate change highlighted the need to achieve carbon neutrality and constrain global warming to avoid the worst consequences of climate change. Since energy, including industry heating and transport, accounts for 73% of all emissions, there's an urgent need to expand the use of renewables such as solar and wind. One major problem, however, is reliability. While sunlight and wind don't always reach solar panels and wind turbines, our need for electricity to power our cars, handheld devices, homes, and so much more is constant. That's where storage technologies, such as batteries, can make a big difference. Batteries can provide renewable power in a stable form, eliminating any disturbances that intermittency might cause. The growth of acceptance and use of renewable energy and battery storage is impacting the job market and the need for a trained workforce to design, manufacture, integrate, and maintain these technologies.
Well, scaling up a factory towards gigawatt-hour level, one of the major problems that we are facing is getting the right talents. So we need in average between 90 to 100 new people working in our factories for each gigawatt-hour that we create.
New projects across the value chain are expected to create between 3 and 4 million direct and indirect jobs over the next few years. The industry requires a diverse range of skills, from engineering and manufacturing skills, chemistry, data science, to troubleshooting, diagnostics, and repair.
Before I started automation operator education here at VUX 2020, I worked 8 years in a grocery store here in Skellefteå. This education is calculated to be as short and effective as possible, so it was a great concept and that suited me super. The easiest way I learn is when I combine the practical and theoretical exercises together. A huge piece of the puzzle was, of course, our great teachers. They gave support to everyone, even when it was a class widespread of knowledge.
New job roles emerge, such as battery material engineers, cell design engineers, and battery test technicians that require training in sector-specific skills, and the shortage of a skilled workforce is a major challenge. In fact, there is such an acute workforce shortage that 71% of CEOs said a skills shortage is now their most significant business challenge. In short, this means that approximately 800,000 workers will need to be trained, upskilled, or reskilled by 2025 to meet this demand. Thanks to multiple funding streams from the European Union, Europe is ahead of the curve. The road to a green future for Europe, supported by a suitably skilled workforce, has already been paved with new collaborations between Albats, EIT InnoEnergy, the Automotive Skills Alliance, the European Battery Alliance, and many more.
We call it a partnership between the companies because we can develop the programs that we want to use for our colleagues. We can also use Romanian language, and we can also promote new technologies and new curricula for our programs, such as energy storage systems or energy management systems and so on.
They are already building on success stories by jointly delivering learning content and training programs in multiple languages available to training providers across Europe, thereby drastically reducing the cost and time to upskill and/or reskill workers across the continent.
Dreams don't come true often, but I managed. And I got super excited the day I got the offer that Northvolt wanted me on board.
It's the year of skills, and we're upskilling and reskilling for a future-ready workforce. Visit any of our Coalition partner websites to learn more.